good morning, good evening sa inyong lahat. Okay, there you go. I've got 2 viewers right now. Are you watching me, babe? No! Okay, there you go. It's Saturday, guys, and somebody tagged me actually. Hold on, I can't see the message again. Ayan na naman. This is just only a quick live for this challenge that I am now doing it. Let me open it. What happened? What happened? Oh. I'm trying to get into my live right now. I can't see who's watching me right now. Sorry, guys. Hold on a second. But my dad again. How I'm lost again with that. I always lost with that button. There you go. Get 3. I'm gonna close it now. Oh, Augustine is here. Hi, hello, Augustine. How's your Saturday? So, Yan, Saturday today is you're here. Augustine is from Texas as well, right, Augustine? So, again, okay, so let's see here. Okay, I was actually tagged by Inday ChenChen. Oh my G, Inday ChenChen. I was tagged to accept this challenge about my Asim Kapa Ba, and then I think about now I can do this in just a few minutes. So, para wala akong i-edit it. Oh. So I don't need to do the editing stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and make it into live stream. So, yeah, I've got here the lemon. Okay. So before that, I'm just gonna say hi and hello everyone. Agustine, hello. Welcome and have a great weekend. We have Grand Aiden. Oh, it's been a long while. Hi, hello, Grand Aiden. I remember you. Madam, Mandy and Bella, labay lang sa welcome. Salamat, Madam. It's Rocky. Tambay sa ko diri kadali while waiting sa akong pana. Thank you. Regards to all daw sabi ni Mandy and Bella. And then we have Rocky right here. It's Rocky. Dai, kumusta ang init? That's the reason why we are not going out. Because we've learned last week, if you remember from my previous vlog, na we went for a hike. And that was not really a good idea. Kasi it was so hot. And I think I got dehydrated. Hello, Bisdog, sabi ni Simply Me. Hazlet. Hello, Madam, sexy. Grand Aiden. Been too busy, my friend. I know. So, yan. Okay, how am I gonna start this now? Hang on a second. Oh. There you go. Let's go ahead and do this way. So that I will not be. Okay. So I've got the question right here. I will not be reading your comments most of the time here. So, yeah. Oh, yes. Gawas na mga bisdak. Magbisdak man ako tapos naaman si Agustin mawa ko mawa ni si out of place ni si Augustine. Augustine is an American, not an English. American man from Texas. I think it's about 106 here in Austin. Oh, what what's the weather right now? I think it's 97 right here, Augustine. So I've got the question of Madame ChenChen, Inday ChenChen, who tagged me about this. Actually, maraming nagtatag sa akin ng something about challenge. Pero this is the most, I think, little question only. It's only 15 question. And I think I can do this so quickly. Okay, let's go ahead and start. So every time I'm going, uh, oh, what's the right? I don't know. I hang on a second. After reading, we have 15 questions right here. So after reading the question or answering or before answering the question, I'm going to take a bite of lemon. I actually don't like lemon, to be honest. The reason why we bought lemon yesterday because we did our grocery yesterday with my babe, and yeah, so I bought this one, only one lemon, just for this challenge, guys. Just for this challenge. And I like eating this with, I can eat this as long as there's a salt. I know it's weird, but that's my taste bud. Ayan, so sorry I can't, I will read all your comments as I'm done. If I'm done answering two questions. After two questions, I'm going to get back to your uh, question right here. I just want to welcome again before I'm going to start. We have Sean Williams right here. Welcome, welcome. We have Deepak Basumatare. Thank you. We have Sweet Friends channel. How are you? Thank you for stopping by. Steve and Tess vlog. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start. First question. What is, I don't have prepared a question for this, so this is very raw. What is your ugly pet name? So I'm gonna take a bite. Uh, Not only bite, but eat it and zip it. Oh. Babe, I don't like this. Oh, what is your ugly pet name? Maybe the ugliest pet name that I can think of. I don't have, um, maybe King Koi. I don't like that name, King Koi. All right. Now, second question. What is your wildest dream? Oh, my wildest dream is to be able to join in the, how do you call that? The one that jump off the plane? Skydiving. Wildest dream. Skydiving. Yeah. Oh my god, I didn't eat it. But let me go and do that again. I would tell you this is not fun. After the challenge, I'm going to have peel off na. Magpipeel off yung magka-crack. So acidic. Okay. After question, after two question. Okay, tapos na ako sa two question. I'm going to read some comments right here. Sabi ni, okay, we have Sean. Doing good, bro, at Agustin Mendez. We have Sweet French channel. Hi. I wave you, Chickita live. Thank you. I will later. Steve and Tess vlog. Hi everyone. Sean, thank you so much, Mandy. Had good morning. Sean, hello at Steve and Tess. Steve and Tess blog. Hello, Sean at Sean Williams. Agustin Mendez, sabi niya, I prefer lime with tequila. I know, but maybe I tried tequila once in my life, guys. That's it. But it's not fun. There's nothing to like it, I think so. I mean, it's Rocky sausaw sa asin ug suga day. True, Rocky. I can deal the lemon with suka and asin, but lemon alone, kind of it. Challenging. Parang problema na sad. Dipag ba sumatari at Grand Aiden from the in then you back me. I'm sorry. What? Steve and Tess vlog. Hello at Agustin Mendez. Agustin Mendez at Steve. Hello daw. Sabi ni Agustin Madam. Tess. Sta Steve and Tess vlog. Hi sis, it's Rocky. Sabi ni Rocky. Hi Madam Tess. Steve and Tess. I don't know who's typing right now. Is it Steve or Tess? Okay. Sweet Friends channel, it's Rocky. I wave you, sabi ni Sweet Friends channel. Then, ayan. Okay, I'm gonna read. It's okay, Steve and Tess. So I'm assuming that Tess right now is writing some comments kasi sabi niya, nilupad jud sa ngipon, Diyos ko sa hinoon. Mao, madam. It's Rocky Parihara says skydiving. Yay! I no, parang nakaka-challenge siya. Tapos, gusto ko, I want to try, pero I want to go to somewhere very professional na mag-rest assured na my life will be safe. Sweet Friends channel, salamat. Agustin, make sure to brush teeth after so the acid of lemon don't eat the enamel off your teeth. Oh, that's a good reminder. Thank you. I'll do that. Steve and Tess vlog. Tess na lang. Okay, si Tess ang nagta-type ngayon. Hi, Madam Tess. Good afternoon, diha. Grand Aiden, Sweet Friends channel. I was hugging you there. Cheers. Okay, let me proceed to the next question right here. What part of your body you love and hate the most and why? What part? I think my legs right now. I have to be honest, guys. I don't like my legs right now, especially I had um I had an experience of burning myself. And that is because while I'm doing vlogging, you know, if you go back to my old videos, that was because of my anxiety. It attacked me, and then I was cooking and I was vlogging at the same time, and I was just panicking. So I didn't realize that it threw up into my legs. Nah, because I did actually pag nagpapanik ka, hindi mo mafe-feel yung yung pagka when I pull that pan, I didn't realize that there is a cooking oil there. So yeah, unfortunately, it threw up into my legs. So right now I'm still healing on it. So it's not that bad, but I don't like looking at it right now. Okay, I've already answered that. I'm gonna go ahead and zip it. Take them lemon again. Ah! Ah! You wanna help me?
I like one.
You like lemon? Oh my god, you should be here with me. My baby's working something. He's building something, so that's why he's just there. Ooh! This is not good. What part of your body that you love? I think I love my eyes, charot. And I think I love my dimple, my little dimple here. That's it. Ganon. Okay, do I need to zip again? Okay, guys, hang on a second. I know you're now typing. I'm gonna go ahead and read back all you. Can I just continue this? I want to get it done with the lemon challenge. Madam Inday ChenChen, ikaw dyan nagpaamong-among ani nga challenge. Um, what's the next question? Who is your dream na maka-date? Oh, babe, somebody's asking me. My dream date?
We're already married now.
Yeah. My babe said, sorry, you're married to me now. Okay. Yeah, so maka-dream siguro ano, aside from my husband, um, Gary Vaynerchuk. Why I dream about Gary Vaynerchuk, maybe. If you don't know him, Google him. You would know him. Um, Next question. What is your unforgettable childhood experience? Oh, so many things. Ah, parang naluluha yung mata ko pag every time I zip the I'm not eating chili, but my eyes is watering. I know childhood unforgettable. Oh my gosh, isasabi ko to. Ano guys, my unforgettable experience, even my friends or my neighbor, they don't forget those yung na-experience ko. Tinulak ako sa bangin ng isang friend ko. Yan, tinulak ako. Until now, my mother, hindi niya makalimutan yun. Hindi niya ma-accept. Kaya, iba yung, but you know what? I move on. I move on. And then I think she realized that that's not good. And oh, how many years now? Maybe 25 years ago or yeah. So I'm still good, so I'm fine. I need to move on. I easily move on, guys. Ow! Ow! Di ko ka-answer ng basta-basta kay lain kayo eh. Okay, magbasa sa kong kuan. Commentary kadiyot. Okay. Okay. Gibog ko na. Magbasa kong comment after 2 question ha. Hay nako dapit. Sorry, I'm lost. Very, very lost. Okay. Grand Aiden, Sweet Friends channel, I was hugging you there. Cheers. Okay, kanina yan. Grand Aiden, sabi niya, Dipak Basumataray, thank you for my friend and feel hugged too. Thank you. Dipak. And then Pinay and Jordan Mahinay. Hello, Sisi. Hello, hello, Pinay. Welcome, welcome. Madam, Filipina British wife vlog. Hi, Sis Chickita. Hello, everyone. Hello, Madam. Welcome. Salamat sa pagtambay. Pinay and Jordan Mahinay. Hi, Sis Tess. Sabi ni Pinay and Jordan Mahinay. We have Sweet Friends channel. Yarn Adam Hugo. Hug you back. Hugo you back. Hug you back. Sabi ni Sweet Friends channel. Okay, we have a Filipina British wife vlog. Hi, Tess. Sabi niya, at sabi ni Tess, Hi at Grand Aiden. Big boy Johnny 25, how are you? Okay, can you show your classic fast motion? I'm doing some live Big Boy Johnny, and I'm done doing that. Yes, was it the other day? Yeah, while doing my live. Pinay and Jordan Mahinay. Hi, Filipino British wife vlog. Okay, nag-respondan na. Chika-chika muna kayo ha. Tatapusin ko lang to. Okay. Because this is just supposed to be quick. Chika-chika and hug-hug kayo dyan. Now I have next question. Are you pasaway or are you oh and are you pasaway and why ka pasaway? Siguro nung bata pasaway ako kasi hindi ako natutulog ng afternoon. And then yung brother ko yung nagdi-discipline sa amin na matulog afternoon. And then I hide sometimes and then go to my friend's house and not sleeping in the afternoon. Ganon. Pero nevertheless, I think I was responsible throughout my journey. Like when I start high school to college until now, until marrying someone, I was responsible. Am I babe? Of course, you have to be responsible because you are you're the one holding and driving your destination. So be responsible. Um, Ayan, nakazip na ako, no? Next question. Which fast food chain do you normally go to? And what favorite food do you order there? Okay. Here in Texas, guys, Whataburger is very popular and it's not expensive. So, yeah, I kind of like it. I love their, what do you call that? The burger
Patty melt?
patty melt. Yeah. And then, of course, French fries. But if I'm going to compare the Whataburger and the In and Out, I would choose the In and Out. Yes. So we have here, okay. Ah, this is not fun, guys. My babe, my babe is just laughing. Oh, and I'm going to challenge everyone who's here to do the same challenge like this. I'm going to tag all the question after this quick live, so you can answer this question as well. So, ayan. Next question. Your biggest crush then your biggest crush then and now maybe. Okay, that's yeah. Your biggest crush then and now. My biggest hindi ako ano, not really. Not into crazy fun girl that usually girls would going to scream about, you know, hindi ako ganyan. Ano lang ako, silent lang ako. Very observant. I'm just very observant. Ganun lang. But I'm not to the point that keep on shouting or something like that. Oh, next, next question. What is your favorite chocolate? Anything that is dark chocolate, I like it. But hindi ako mahilig sa ano talaga guys, hindi ako mahilig sa sweet or anything that's very sweet. Hindi ako mahilig. I like the dark chocolate, and inside is almond or raisin or something fruity. Yeah. Okay, I zip it already. Okay, next question. Your your dream travel destination. Where? You know what? Every time I'm going to take it, it's like a problem. It gives me trouble. My dream travel destination would be Maldives. I think so. In terms about vacation, huh? Vacation galore, like vacation that I don't need to think about job or I don't need to think about work. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Napakain ako. Napasubo ako. Napasubo ay yata ako ng marami doon. Ito. Next question. Kung may kakainin ka, ngayon ko pa na-realize na question is Taglish. Okay. Kung may kakainin ka that would be magically appear anytime you think of it, ano ang gusto mong kainin? Oh, for me, I want fresh fish. And my babe knows that. Fresh fish. Kaya hindi siya, hindi farm. Yung hindi farm na fish, okay? Ayan. Yun yung gustong gusto ko na always available. So, kaso hindi yan dito masyadong easy to get. I don't know, maybe in our area, but in the other area that's near to the water, that would be easier. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and um, read some comments again. So we have already Steven Tess vlog. Hi, hello, Filipino British wife vlog. Sabi ni Madam Tess. Then Sweet Friends channel. Pinay, I wave you. Pinay and Jordan, mahinay. Sabi ni Sweet Friends channel, I wave you daw. Sabi ni Pinay and Jordan, mahinay. Hi sis. Hi sis Grand Aiden. Sweet Friends channel, Filipino British wave you please back. Then Grand Aiden Dipak Basumatari. Thanks friends, had you in your place. Cheers. Big boy Johnny, hey, how are you? I'm good. Thank you for asking that. Pinay and Jordan Mahinay, thanks, sweet friends. Thanks, got you also. Filipina British Wife Vlog, thanks, sweet friends channel, wave you back. Then it's Rocky. Rocky Madam, kumusta diha? Diyos ko, kwaaslom na, naglaway na ko diri. Nangaslom. Honestly, even if I was just watching those people who are doing this challenge, maasim na talaga. How much more kung ikaw na mismo yung ikaw nang kakain, di ba? Grand Aiden, Pinay and Jordan, nice to see you, friend. Hugs. Sabi ni Grand Aiden, Pinay and Jordan, mahinay. Hi, it's Sis Rocky. Sweet Friends channel, thanks Filipina. Hi, you're so sweet, Friends channel. I need to check you out later. Okay, Sweet Friends channel, thanks Pinay for maybe waving you back. Thank you, Madam. Filipino British Wife Vlog, you're welcome, my friends, sweet friends. Oh, okay, andyan na. Okay, wait, wait. Asan na ako? Cheers! Filipino British Wife Vlog, sabi ni Grand Aiden. Supermom channel we have here. Welcome, Madam. Chickita Live, hello. Kumusta ang lahat? Salamat, we're good. Thank you for stopping by, Madam. Where is Luke? Oh, Where is Luke? Hi, Chiquita. Hello, madam. Kumusta si Luke? And Steve and Tess vlog gikan jud sa dagat nga fish sis di pareho ta. Like you know, since na ingabot ko diri amurag lisod pangitaon. Iba man ang kuan, iba ang lasa sa farm nga fish ug sa fresh. Nice pud ang wild. Nice pud ang wild. Okay, let me proceed to my to the next question right here. Asa na ba yun? Oh, I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. Do you have a talent na di alam ng iba? Ano ang klaseng talent? Hindi ko alam. Hindi, wala akong masyadong hidden na talent. Talaga na show na siguro na show ko na. Kuan lang ako, siguro trying hard. Trying hard sa singing and dancing. Ganon, pero it's not hidden. Then, kaya muna ako ha. Ah! See, hindi ako makapagsalita after taking some bit of it. Ooh. Next question. Is it really more fun in the Philippines? Why or why not? For me, if my mags out, it's really fun in the Philippines, guys. Kasi dyan ako lumaki, you know? And for me siguro alam ko na kung saan paano mag-adjust doon. And then it's more fun because in spite of problems sa economy sa Pinas, in spite of yung kawalan, Filipinos are known to be the most hospitable people in the world. So ayan, and then we are known to be one of the happiest people in known. So I think that's more fun. And Philippines is an island wherein the natural and its alluring beauty has much to offer to the other people coming from different countries. So ayan, so, nag-advertise na ako for tourism. And then we have, okay, next question. Kumusta ka naman? Okay. The question is, kumusta? Nangungumusta yung after doing this challenge? After doing this challenge, I think I'm fine every time I'm done zipping it. Pero pag time mo na talagang kumain ng lemon, parang hindi siya maganda. At hindi siya nakaka-enjoy, guys. Para sa akin ha, kasi hindi ako mahilig sa lemon. Okay. And then I have last question. Oh, finally, I'm done with this. Babe, you need to congratulate me, ha? Ay, wala pang question? I'm excited na agad. Nag-i-enjoy ka ba sa ginagawa mo? Oo at hindi. Nag-enjoy ako at hindi. Pero, ayan. Nag-enjoy ako sa ginawa ko na i-live ko to. It's because I don't want to do the editing about this one and I don't want I want it to be raw. So, ayan. So, I'm done with this challenge. Finally, Inday ChenChen, if you're watching, thank you. Thank you, but not thank you. But you challenged me on this. So, ayan, di ba? So, I would challenge everyone who's here to do the same thing, to take this challenge for if my Asim Kapa Ba challenge. So, ganon. Para, and I will wait for your video. So, ganon guys. And I think, how many minutes lang yun, di ba? That was just only a quick live. So, ayan, I'll just have to say thank you for everyone right here who dropped by. Wait a second. Ayan. We have Grand, last message. We have Agustin sabi niya. Agustin Mendez, yes, I talked about that in my video about Filipino love. Thank you, Agustin. I've heard that Agustin has a Filipina, right? Okay, there you go. I wish you all the best and good luck. Good luck. All the best. Yeah. Okay, I just want to say thank you, everyone. Again, Agustin Mendez, Steve Test Vlog. Where's Luke? Madam, gawin mo to kay Luke. Ang cute kaya ng mga bata na kumakain ng maasim. Yung compilation with the lemon. Ayan. Super Mom Channel, I hope na gawin mo din to. We have Grain Aiden. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for dropping by or stopping by here. We have Sean William. Hello, Sean. I hope you're having a good weekend. And sana, Sean, I encourage you to do these things as well or to accept this challenge. Please accept this challenge, Filipino British Wife Vlog. And Big Boy Johnny, you can do this as well. Sweet French Channel, Hinay and Jordan Mahinay. We have Madam Rocky. It's Rocky. Gawin mo to dang. You can do it. If I, why you can't? Diba? If I can do it, why you can't? Now, we have Steven Test Vlog. Thank you again. All right, so ayan. What else I can say? And we have Simply Has Let the Eye. Sorry, madam. Halos makalimutan ka na. First time ni mo dire, welcome kaayo. And then we have Mandy and Bella Ganiha, gawas mga bisdak. Madam Mandy and Bella, thank you. And guys, I hope you're having a great weekend. And I think that's it for today. And I hope to see your video for this challenge as well. So thank you. I have to say I'm going to sign up right now, and because this is just only a quick live. Thank you and God bless everybody. Goodbye.